Okay, welcome to the tutorial on Google Drive. I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts to your folders that you might use more often, and how to remove those shortcuts without deleting your own or somebody else's work from where it's stored elsewhere. So quite useful stuff. So in my drive, I'm currently in the older version of Google Drive. You can see I've got lots of different shortcuts down here. The first thing we need to do is go to the new version of Google Drive. So over here, I'm clicking on the settings and then experience the new drive. That's going to load up the new version of Drive. I think this will work a bit better in Chrome rather than Firefox, which is what I'm using, but we'll see how we go on. So this is my drive here. I can see all the folders are exactly the same. It just looks a little bit different. What I'm going to do is, on this ICT department, I've already added that to my drive. This is actually located in BISP Academic Staff. Okay, so earlier on I removed it from vertical. I shouldn't have done that. I did it by accident, so we're going to also put it back in vertical. So I can go over to BISP Academic Staff. It's already been added to my drive. And then in vertical, I want to put this one in vertical. So ICT department is in there, it's in the wrong place. I need to move it from here into vertical. I'm hoping that's going to go. Move out of shared folder, okay, that's fine. So I'm hoping that's gone in vertical now. And you can see up at the top there, that's what it says. What it says it's done. If I wanted to undo that, you just click undo. I'm going to go into vertical now, and there you go, you can see ICT departments there. If I click on the folder, I can see where else it is. It's also in my drive. If I want to remove it from either of these folders, rather than clicking on remove there, that will remove it from everywhere on my Google Drive. If I've created this, that will basically put that item to the trash, to the bin, okay, which is down here. If I haven't created that item, then it will just remove it from where it is on my drive. So the best thing to do, if you're wanting to remove an item, click on it and look over here under the view details, and then you can see exactly where it is. It's located in my drive in vertical. If I wanted to remove it from my drive, if I no longer needed access to it, I click on remove, just like that. Okay, and then I should be able to see it's gone from down here. If I wanted to add it then back to my drive, so I can get quick access to it rather than going to BISP Academic, vertical, and then finding it, I click and drag it over onto my drive. I hold down the Option key, and I think on Windows it might be the Alt key or the Option key as well. You'll just have to press your different keys until you get that little plus icon, and then I'm going to let go with my mouse. So I was holding down with my Option key, hold down with the Option key and then let go with your mouse. Now if I scroll down here on my drive, you can see it's actually being added to my drive, which is great. So if I click on ICT department again, I can see it's in vertical on my drive. If I wanted to remove it from either of those places without actually trashing the whole folder, without actually binning it, I make sure I'm on show details and then click on the remove from whichever folder I don't want it in. Okay, so that's how you can quickly add shortcuts and organize your folders a bit more easily, so you can get access to them quicker.